You got the ball for me? You got the ball for me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oi! And you took it. You want to play alone? And I thought you want to play with me. Phoebe, can I have the ball, please? Can you play a fetch with me? I don't think so. I knew it. I knew it. You lone wolf. You need me only to throw the ball? Hmm? You toothless dragon with lots of tooth. Take it. And she's gone. Game over. No? Come, Phoebe, come. Oh my god. Oh my sweetie. Oh my sweetie. Can I have this ball, please? Excuse me? Please give me the ball. Can I have it? Thank you. You want me to throw? You sure?